Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, December 21st, and we're going to take a look at kind of what's happening here in the markets today and talk a little bit about how markets behave going into major holidays like Christmas, where everybody's going to be on vacation and not trading. The first thing you want to be aware of is when you're going to a big holiday like this, a lot of times the volume will dry up leading into the holiday. For example, today and tomorrow. And when volume dries up, there's a couple things that happen. A, it makes it easier to have big moves sometimes because the markets can be pushed around by a smaller amount of money. And B, there's also a lot more slippage a lot of times. So you got to be careful. Spreads will get a little bit wider. You won't be able to get as good of fills as you normally otherwise would be able to get. So when that happens, you also got to be aware that a lot of times the markets will just chop around and not really go anywhere. So when we're going in a period like this where we're heading into Christmas, what I typically tend to do is I kind of pull back and I will wait for only very, very well-defined setups. I want it to be a perfect setup to trade it. I will not take any okay setups or decent trades. They have to be really, really good because I want to make sure I'm looking to have the highest probabilities of that trade actually playing out in my favor. All right, so a lot of times what I'll be doing is sitting on my hands. And the reason I do that is, again, look at how these markets are behaving. This is just a 5-minute chart. Here's the euro, for example, today. We've done nothing since 8 a.m. 8 a.m. we were at 19375. Right now we're at 19405. So barely moved at all. I look at bonds, same thing, barely moved at all. We're up a couple ticks, 8 or 9 ticks as a whole, but since 8 a.m. we didn't really do much. 8 a.m. we were at 50 and 27. Right now we're at 51, so 5 ticks higher. The indices have climbed a little bit, and we've talked about this previously, that going into Christmas, you normally get the Santa Claus rally, the Christmas bump, and markets will rally going into holidays like that. But as a whole, markets have been pretty choppy. So keep that in mind next time you're going into a holiday like this. Be careful of choppier markets, and a lot of times it's better just to sit on your hands and wait it out. Now, that being said, watch for the week after Christmas, because a lot of times right after Christmas, you will get a lot of volatility and have some really good opportunities to trade. Alrighty, so that's all I have for you for today. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading.